These are the different style fittings we have. These are the heavy duty brass fittings. The lighter duty brass fittings here. The heavy duty brass fittings right here. Our stainless steel fittings right here, which are pretty standard on most kits now. Our nozzle extensions, we have these from 3-inch all the way to, I think, 12-inch. Our painted clips, our stainless steel clips, our nozzles, our screws, our extensions for fog T risers that are adjustable. These are some of our specialty fittings right here, which are stainless steel and brass. We've got 45 degrees now in 3/8. We got 3-sided T's. We got reducers, our misting rings. That's our standard 16/6, 16-inch, 6 nozzles.